Is on our weather porch today to make something that sounds really tasty, coconut ice cream.
Perfect for the warm weather we're having this weekend.
Darling, it's perfect for zero.
Yeah. Okay, true.
And you were quick to point out this is not made with coconut milk that you have in the blender there.
Right. This is cream of coconut. Most times it's found in the section of the grocery store where they have the mixes for adult beverages.
Okay.
Coconut milk. Now to that we're going to add coconut. Just honest to goodness, shredded, sweetened coconut. And we're going to turn the blender on, I'm sorry, because you want this to make lots smaller coconut bites. And if it don't go, then we'll be in trouble. We'll add some more liquid to it. The liquid is, while it's making up its mind, that is vanilla flavoring and coconut flavoring.
And coconut flavor.
Yes, this is a mixture of half and half and whipping cream. Yeah. Now it's going to go.
There we go.
There we go. Now you want this to go for several seconds because you don't want great big bites of coconut in your ice cream bite. So you just let it run and talk about the weather.
Okay. How long does it usually take?
And 15, 20 seconds, but we won't go that far because I have to take it back and redo it anyway.
Okay.
But that's the general gist of making it. And then you add all of this into there, and it won't all go in this particular blender jar. So we'll finish mixing it when we get to the restaurant. Yeah, it will.
Okay.
And then we'll put it in the ice cream machine, and then you follow the directions on the ice cream maker that you have.
Oh,
and
yeah.
there's got to be a dozen of
That's
them
your
out there.
coconut one.
But it's ready to go.
I can already smell it. That
Ah,
is
it
kind of that
smells
summery
delicious.
smell.
Well,
Definitely.
one of the nice things about it is it does not have to be cooked. Doesn't have any eggs in it, so that you have to cook it to a healthy temperature. So it's a really nice recipe.
It's very tropical, and Leanne, our producer, is curious, could you put some fruit in it, maybe like some pineapple?
Yes,
Okay.
you sure could. I wouldn't want to put it in until the ice cream maker was almost finished, or you're going to have frozen pineapple.
Oh, okay.
Then you'll just have
So wait
frozen
till the
pineapple.
very end.
And you mentioned this was vanilla and coconut.
Yes. Now
Okay.
it's not one thing in one bottle.
You have
it's
separate
some
vanilla?
extract and some coconut extract. And I'm old. I use Watkins
Okay.
coconut.
There we
but
go.
I use pure vanilla extract.
It smells
So good.
delicious. It
I know.
really
I'm
does.
like, I can smell the coconut.
You could
Smells
probably
tropical to me.
you could probably just chill this really, really cold
Uh-huh.
and drink it.
I bet you
Ooh.
could.
A little coconut slushy.
Got me dreaming of the beach, Todd Howell. I don't know about you. Well, nice